cakes, everybody can make cakes, but I think the legacy of being able to help somebody who didn't even believe in themselves enough. That's where the love for teaching started. Me being able to find somebody who has the potential to learn something they never thought they could. I am Chef Bam Piancenaves. I am the owner and creative director of Custom Cakes by Bam and the Design Room PH. I run a custom cake studio here in the Philippines that focuses on making very unique original cakes that caters to the preference of the client. So we do a lot of custom cakes. We also do a lot of other pastries that we supply to other businesses as well. We started in 2007. I started as a home baker. I started my business at that time at home because at that time I gave birth to my only son, Rafa. And all I really wanted to do was to quit my corporate job and do cakes full time. I wanted to make a cake for him. I was a self-taught back then baker and custom cake maker. I started baking cookies that my family loved and started selling it in food markets. I operated basically from home as a one-person team. Then it grew organically to where it is right now. So currently, we've been making cakes for other children. I think we make about 20, 30 cakes a day, and you'll be surprised that birthday parties don't only come in Saturdays and Sundays. So we make custom cakes and celebration cakes every day. I choose Unox because of its commitment to efficiency and also the after sales service. Because I think when you're in the business of a custom cake business, production is very important. We get a lot of rush orders, and we couldn't have ovens that will not be serviced right away. And I always tell the others, aside from the features of the Unox ovens, if you're making that much of an investment, you have to go with a company that in one phone call, they understand the urgency of having your ovens serviced or maintained. Unox has helped us tremendously in our kitchen operations in two areas. Our LPG consumption went down to less than 50%, so less than half. Second is our overtime payroll also went down because the whole process became faster. When they say it's 10 trays, you can really put 10 trays inside and everything will be evenly cooked or baked. Unox was able to help us maximize the use of the space because it doesn't emit heat outside of the oven itself. It's really insulated. We are able to maximize every corner of our space because it's very compact. It requires very little space, and yet we are able to maximize the number of trays that we use in the oven itself. Expansion obviously is in the horizon, and honestly, not because I'm talking to you, but Unox is really part of that growth for us. I conduct classes twice a month with home bakers. I teach them the basics, like how to make cakes, how to make cookies, how to sell it, how to package it, how do you do costing, etc. So that at the end of the day, they will be confident enough to sell their stuff or their baked goods. That's the whole goal of the design room, is for them to realize that they could do it even when at times they felt like, okay, it's in a I can't do it. You'll be surprised. They come here and the first thing they will tell me, ma'am, I really can't bake a cake, or I can't really decorate a cake. I'm not good at it. And then you will be surprised that at the end of the day, when they go home with the cake that they made, that they're very, very proud of, they would really tell you that I never thought I could make something like this. So I think if only for that, that's the reason why I train. That's the only reason why I train. For us, teaching is really not about the revenue or the money anymore. It's really about, if I leave this earth, I know it's kind of, but if I leave this earth, what legacy would have I left behind for the others also? And that's the reason why we have the design